Alright guys, so we're going to be installing this. Now remember, it does depend what your ceiling register is. So some may be smaller than this. But most likely you have a big one like this. And you don't need two screws. They don't come in with the package. I've seen some packages from Amazon that do come with the screws. But most likely you're going to need to get your own. Other than that, it's pretty basic. So here is how the register looks like. And yes, it's slightly different than the ones that you guys put on your floor. So for your floor vents, you're gonna notice they're usually not this thick. Usually, some are identical. Now in this package, we did get some screws in here, as I can see. So here are the two screws that we got, and they're pretty long. So you want something this long if they didn't come with the register that you got. Now keep in mind, when you're buying one of these, make sure you buy something that you can open and close. There's some out there, the cheaper ones, that don't come with that, so you can't open and close them. It's pretty important to open and close them. Sometimes you may not want this to be open, so that's why it's important. Now, other than that, if you know that it's always gonna be open, no problem, then you don't really need this. And to open it and close this, see this right here? All you have to do is just go to the side, and it's gonna open it. Go to this side, it's gonna close. So you push it to this side, it's gonna open. So on my ceiling, I had one before, and you guys see this? Most likely you want to install this so this stays right here. Sometimes there is no wood here. If there is wood, sometimes if there's metal, you could run these through. So you might have to drill a hole if it's metal. If it's wood, then you can just put this through. If it's just drywall, well, you might need this. But in some cases, it's so tight in there that it's okay. You're gonna be fine just by putting these guys. All right, so all we have to do is just push this in there. So you just slide it in, get it all in there, slide it in and keep it there. And then you do have to put your screws so this actually stays there. Sometimes it's tight enough that you can just leave it there and then just do it. Or sometimes you have to hold it in order to put the screws on those holes. Now before we do that, I do wanna show you something else inside here. Let me see if I can get a quick shot. There is a metal plate inside. It's really hard to show you guys. It's right in here. And this, you can move it around to close or open. So here we go, that's a better shot so I can actually show you. So there it is. So I can just move this with my hand and close it. So that's from the inside. So again, that's something you may want to do, or you may want to open it, fully open it. So just make sure it's open if you guys want that open. If you guys want to close, just close it. And then just put then your vent. So just make sure to do that before we set it up. So in this case, we just use this in order to put the screws right through. Now this is smaller than the one that we had from before, so we're gonna have to patch this up. But as far as this video goes, that's how you guys can install this. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.